Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you 5 ideas for your Halloween nail art that will look awesome both on short and long nails. In this tutorial, we will be using colors from the Rossi Gel Polish line. As always, start your manicure by prepping the nails. Gently push back cuticles, then file your nails to the desired shape. Lightly buff your nails along the tops and sides to give them a matte look, then wipe them down with a lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol, which will ensure your nails are totally clean and oil-free. Rossi Gel Polish is a 3-part system that requires a gel base coat. Cover the natural nail with a thin layer of gel base coat and cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Do not skip this step. For the first design, we will be applying White Dreams polish to the entire nail plate. Cure for 30 seconds. Next, tear a piece of paper towel and roll it up. Dip the towel in the darker red shade called Love That Red to achieve an irregular blood pattern. Cure for 30 seconds. Using a brighter red, add some more blood stains to achieve a realistic look. Cure for 30 seconds. For the next design, we will use the shade Lime for our background color. Apply 2 to 3 coats and remember to cure it between the layers. Grab the color Fiesta and apply a few dots on the nail. Without curing, drag them upwards using a brush to get a dripping effect. Fill in around the cuticle area. Optionally, you can repeat that process for a more 3-dimensional look. For the next nail, we will use Amour as a base color. We will paint an eye shape in the middle of the nail using white gel polish. Next comes outlining and painting on the eyelashes. For this step, we are using a glittery black gel called Black Sapphire. The iris is being painted using Havana Nights, but you are welcome to switch the colors to match your own eyes. Glitter is optional, but we love how it complements the look. Next comes adding a black pupil in the middle. For the final touch, we added a small white reflex dot. On the ring finger, we painted 2 coats of DAYDREAM gel polish. Next, we added a simple spiral shape using infinity stone starting from the middle of the nail. You can decide how thin or thick you want your lines by using a different size of brush. Last but not least comes everyone's favorite Halloween candy, candy corn. Start by painting the whole nail white and curing it in the light. Paint 3/4 of the nail with Tangerine and cure. Add white layer to 1/3 of the nail to help the next color show up better. Finish up by coloring over the white tip with Cool Lemon. Seal and protect your designs with an even layer of Rossi Gel top coat. This will leave the nails with a high glossy shine. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Use a cuticle oil daily. Cuticle oil is essential for healthy nail growth and beautiful looking nails. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.